Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Spice gives a masterclass in influencer entrepreneurship, speaking Wednesday on day one of the Island Music Conference. The Queen of Dancehall urged the patrons to leverage their social media influence to convert leads into sales.
On top of being consistent, on top of having talent and all of that, you have to know how to use the social media. So for example, if you become an entrepreneur, you have to know how to market your product, how to sell it, and how to get people to, want it, like it, and want to buy it, because you have to learn how to lead people down the funnel, which is why every morning when I wake up and see me on social media, I come with something. I want to see me, so you have to know how to use social media to your advantage as well.
Now on the international scene, Lauryn Hill, Shakira, and Pink among list of Rock and Roll Hall of Fame nominees. The Hips Don't Lie singer, So What hitmaker, and former Fuji star are among the 17 nominees for the class of 2026. This also marks Phil Collins' first year on the ballot as a solo act. However, he was inducted into the famed music institution as a member of Genesis in 2010. In addition, Mariah Carey is up for consideration again this year, marking her third consecutive nomination alongside other three-time nominees. Now, John Sykes, chairman of Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Foundation, said in a statement that this diverse list of talented nominees recognizes the ever-evolving faces and sounds of rock and roll and its continued impact on youth culture. Artists become eligible for induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame after their debut recording turns 25 years old. A new Elvis Presley documentary is set to hit theaters later this month, which shows never-before-seen footage and recordings featuring Elvis Presley in concert at his Las Vegas residency during the later stage of his career. The details from the CNN.
Hey, the light's on. I can see you. Hello out there. Hello.
Baz Luhrmann's epic Elvis Presley in Concert features restored footage that had been forgotten for decades in a Kansas salt mine.
When I started to see what we had, I was a bit like, oh my God. And it was also, it smelled of vinegar, so it meant that it was actually rotting, it was like falling apart.
Camera crew, gentlemen. All right.
Then suddenly we found this 40-minute tape of Elvis just speaking about his life. And that was the light bulb moment. Because most works on Elvis are other people talking about him.
There's been a lot written and a lot said, but never from my side of the story.
Luhrmann says making the film taught him a lot about the king.
I think he was always trying to disarm people about him because he was so striking and such an icon, That was really the big revelation, his humor and his humanity.
That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.